What if one workshop could help you boost your confidence, sharpen your computer skills, and unlock business funding, all for free? If you're a woman between 50 and 65, running a business, dreaming of starting one, or getting back on the saddle of restarting your business, this message is for you. Your Computer Needs of Toledo, LLC, is hosting a 4-session, hands-on workshop, completely free, designed just for you. Join in every Saturday in February for the Master Your Computer Skills for Small Business Grant Writing Success series. You'll learn practical computer skills and insider tips for grant writing so you can confidently apply for funding and grow your business. This is your chance to connect with other local women, tap into expert support from Amber Hawkins, the president and CEO of the company, and take your next bold step, all in a supportive, welcoming environment. There are only 8 spots left, so don't wait. Register right now on Eventbrite to secure your seat. This series will take place at the Heatherdowns Branch Library, 3265 Glanzman Rd in Toledo, Ohio, on February 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't let this opportunity pass you by.